Bruschetta. Ingredients: 6 to 7 ripe tomatoes, about 1½ pounds. 2 cloves garlic, minced, about 2 teaspoons. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. 1 teaspoon balsamic vinegar. 6 to 8 fresh basil leaves, thinly sliced or chopped. 3/4 teaspoon sea salt, more or less to taste. ½ teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, more or less to taste. 1 baguette, French bread, or similar Italian bread. 1/4 cup olive oil. Blanch and peel the tomatoes. Bring 2 quarts of water to a boil. As the water is heating, make shallow cuts in a cross pattern at the tip ends of the tomatoes. This will make the tomatoes easier to peel. Once the water is boiling, remove the pot from the heat. Put the tomatoes in the hot water and blanch for 1 minute. Remove with a slotted spoon and let sit until cool enough to handle. Then gently peel off the tomato skins. Cut out the stem base with a paring knife. Cut the tomatoes into halves or quarters and squeeze out most of the juices and seeds. Preheat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius, with a rack in the top slot of the oven. Chop tomatoes, toss them with garlic, olive oil, vinegar, basil, salt and pepper. Finally chop the tomatoes and place them in a medium bowl. Mix in the minced garlic, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, and the balsamic vinegar. Stir in the thinly sliced basil and add salt and freshly ground black pepper, adding more to taste. Note: tomatoes love salt. You may need to add more than you expect. Toast the baguette slices. Use a bread knife to slice the baguette on the diagonal, making ½ inch thick slices. Brush one side of each slice with olive oil. A pastry brush helps here, and place olive oil side down on the baking sheet or roasting pan. The baguette slices will toast best in the top rack of your oven, so you may need to work in batches to toast them all. When the oven has reached 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius, place the slices in the oven on the top rack and toast for 5 to 6 minutes until lightly browned around the edges. If you want, you can toast the bread slices without coating them first in olive oil. Toast them until lightly browned on both sides. Then cut a clove of garlic in half and rub over one side of the toast. Then brush with olive oil. See easiest ever garlic bread. Serve toasted bread with tomato mixture. Arrange the toasted bread on a platter, olive oil side facing up. The olive oil will help create a temporary barrier, keeping the bread from getting soggy from the chopped tomatoes. Either serve the toasts plain with a bowl of the tomato bruschetta mixture on the side for people to top their own, or use a spoon to gently top each toasted bread slice with some of the tomato mixture. If you top each slice individually, do it right before serving.